2, 1.
Hi folks, welcome to MarineMax Miami. My name is Raheem Nahim. We're here to show you the Sea Ray 280 SLX. We'll start here, nice lounge. So when the kids are swimming, fresh water, nice little cooler right here. Come on board. This particular boat comes equipped with the power tower. Great for wakeboarding. If you have a bridge clearance, you can lower the tower, or marinas that need low clearance. This particular boat came equipped with a dynamic display, both GPS, engine instruments, super cool design, DTS, tilt wheel, dual helm seat. You can get cozy in there. Nice storage for your wakeboard. Take a view here to the head. Nice, luxurious. Is what sets the SLX apart from the other boats. This boat came equipped with a 6.2 liter Bravo 3 engine, so it performs very well. Great for taking your skier out of the water. Boat came equipped with the windlass. For 28 footers, a nice option with a stainless steel anchor. Well folks, thank you for joining us. Please come visit us at MarineMax Miami so we can show you the 280 SLX. Thank you.